You gotta make a salad. It's amazing. Welcome to another episode of The Master Food Artist. I'm Darlene Loves, your host. And this show is dedicated to you to bring out the best in you and your food. So if you want to be better in the kitchen, like a master food artist, then please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll be notified when the next video is here. Now on this show, I share recipes with you that are plant-based, that are vegan. A lot of them are raw and a lot are not. And a lot I make based on requests that I've had from you and other viewers in the past. And that's what I have is a recipe coming up for you today that is a Thai Asian salad dressing made without peanuts. So if you have a peanut allergy or a nut allergy, no worries, you can make this with sesame seed butter or tahini. I have a question for you, and be honest here. Do you love salad? Now, I'll be honest, I never used to love salad. In fact, up until I went raw about over 16 years ago, I didn't like salads. And then I started getting really creative and finding out the tips and tricks to making the best salad. Now, if you stay till the end, I have in between there a big tip for you on how you can make your salads even taste more amazing, because I've been told that I make the best salads. So I'm going to share my tips and tricks with you. So let's get started. Let me get my apron on here. We're going to get started with the dressing first. Now that is one of the keys, is a really great dressing. That's the first trick. I'm using a Vitamix, of course, to blend the dressing, but you can use any blender you have, whether you have a NutriBullet or one of those $20 Target ones. That's what you need for this recipe to begin with. So let's get started. Start by juicing 1 lemon and making sure that you get all the juice out and get rid of those pits. Pour it into the container and add 1/4 cup of coconut aminos, or you can use soy sauce if you'd like. 1 garlic clove. I just like to cut it in half, peel it, and just throw it in. You just need 1 garlic clove, unless of course you like more garlic. Then for the ginger, I just slice some ginger, a couple of tablespoons, cut around the outside of it, and just throw that in. Then add 2 pitted dates. If you don't want to use dates, you can use stevia. Then how much hot pepper you like, put that in. I'm using about 1/2 of a hot pepper. Now let's get some cilantro. So add just a couple of tablespoons of cilantro. And then 1/4 cup of either almond butter or tahini. And now we've got all of our ingredients in. Let's go ahead and blend it all up. If you want to stretch this dressing out, you can always add some water as well. Then go ahead and put it into a jar. Oh my gosh. This is so good. I can't wait to put it on our salad. So let's make the salad now. Now, before we start making the salad, before you start chopping those veggies, I got a tip for you, okay? This is the secret to making a salad, not just the dressing, but the second part is to make sure that your vegetables are organic. I know this sounds crazy, but organic vegetables, they get their really strong, vibrant flavors of veggies that taste really good and your palate really craves. You know, your body needs minerals. And so it starts to crave different things like chalk or something that has minerals in it. But we want our body to crave, what do we want it to crave? Veggies. So let's make the salad with those delicious, delicious veggies. Make sure they're organic, and if you can get them from the farmer's market, that's even the best. The first thing we're gonna do is chop our cabbage. And you wanna chop it like a chopped salad, that's what I like, or you can just go ahead and shred it up in your food processor. Either way, whatever works best for you. And then let's add a bok choy. You can add a baby bok choy like I'm doing here, or you can add a big one. And then a half to a full pepper. I've got a couple of small bell peppers here. Then of course, a couple of scallions. I have to give it that. I like to make the scallions bigger. You can slice them smaller if you like. And then celery. Of course, we have to have celery for that delicious salty flavor. And then I'm using a peeler here for the cucumber and the carrots, and I think it looks really nice, and then it adds some texture, kind of noodle consistency to it. And then pour the dressing on top and toss it all in. You can also add some sprouts, are really delicious, and some nori sheets. I like to chop up some nori sheets. The more veggies, the better. This is so good. You've got to make this. Amazing. Please leave in the comments if you have a favorite salad dressing that you would like to share, or a dressing that you'd like to make vegan. Maybe you had it in the past and now you don't know how to make it. Feel free to add whatever favorite veggies that you like inside of your salad. That's the important, because you don't want something that's just good for you. You want something that tastes good. Tasting good is so important, because when you love it and you can crave it, you'll keep eating it again and again. Please like this video, and remember, I'm here for you to bring out the best in you and your food. Until next time, remember, I loves you. I'm coughing with my mouth full.